What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a watch band and protective casing for a Apple Watch. This is my Apple Series 8 watch, and this comes in all different sizes, by the way. And I want y'all to check out how nice this is. Let me just open it up here, because I wanted, if you're like me and you're kind of a little rough on your watches, you know, I have my Garmin watch here that I'm really rough on, but then I got a Apple Watch that I wear from time to time, and I'll kind of rotate out. Let's just look at, see how all this works here. Number one, what is this thing? So let's see what this is right here. And then looking at this, this is a cover. This should be the, oh yeah, there you go. This is actually a two-piece cover. You're going to peel this back, and what it does, it goes on the watch like this right here. You see how it snaps on there? So let me go ahead and take that off. You want to be very... Uh-oh, I need to charge this. I haven't wore this watch in a while. That looks awesome. That worked great. That went right on there like that. And then looking over this, this comes nicely packaged right here. Let me go ahead and take it out of the package. Okay, they wrapped that really tightly. And just looking over it here. So what these things are, these are for adjustments. If I want to take out some of these things, I would put it, and you could see the instructions right here. You would put this in there. So this is actually adjustable to get even smaller. So let me just show you how this works. This one will just slide in here like this. And these Apple Watches these bands are always really easy to replace. See how it locked into place? Let me take that one off. And this gives it more of a, like a very premium type feel to it. So yeah, there's the watch. Now you see that it's all installed on there. What I like about this is it's got that quick like clasp on it, so you can really kind of like do it fast like that, and it locks into place. Just like that. And that's locked in there good. So, and then to get it off, you actually have to squeeze it right here to open it. So, hear that click right there? I will have to adjust this band and then make it a little tighter. I want to get it where I can kind of like wear it with different outfits and a lot of different stuffs. And they made it pretty simple to put all this together. But don't that have such a premium look to it? That looks so good. And I love the fact that it's a wide variety. You're going to have to like use this little item here. They give you all the tools to make it work. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the adjustable premium smartwatch band. Check it out, everybody. See y'all in the next video.